But an important point that he raised about the whole there is a whole lot of mean people out there, and I don't know right or wrong, but of late, and I'm sure everyone here would agree with me, and you are the ones who are actually facing it, so you would know. There seems to be an extreme amount of negativity, maybe a little bit of generalization, if I may call it, around Bollywood per se. So there are all kinds of things being said, particularly when it comes to people from families that have been film families. Anil and I were chatting about this yesterday, and he said at some point that he feels that celebrity children have had it the toughest in the past few years. Janvi, you are a 24-year-old grown-up woman. You still get tagged as a star kid, and then you have to hear all kinds of things about how star kids are spoilt brats, party hoppers, addicts, are close to outsiders, former clique. We've had Aryan's case recently. You know, all kind of stuff that you and I'm sure a lot of actors of your generation would have also faced from people close to you. What's your view on this entire thing, and how do you perceive this?
Firstly, I find it, flattering that they're still calling me a kid, if anything. But to be honest, ma'am, I've been made to feel very aware my whole life of my privilege, and there's no running away from it. But the bottom line is that, in fact, all of us in this room today are more privileged than someone out there somewhere. But that doesn't really take away from experiences of pain and suffering, and or experiences of hard work and struggle that we might have had individually, and therefore the wisdom that we have acquired as a result of those experiences. It doesn't make that any less valuable. And for a long time, I was very apologetic about where I came from, who my parents were. And not just because I got my first film, and I did get my first film relatively easier than most people get it. And it's important to acknowledge that there are people that must have been much more deserving than I was. And it's important to acknowledge that. But to be very honest and frank, if I keep waking up with that baggage and that pressure, it'll just what's the point of feeling unworthy constantly? The bottom line is, I love movies. I work hard. It's not कि मैं उठ के बोलती हूँ हाँ this is my birthright, मुझे तो एक्टर बनना है, आप लोगों का कोई चॉइस नहीं है, मुझे आके देखो. अगर मैं अच्छी नहीं हूँ, आप लोग नहीं देखोगे. एंड यही इच्छा है मेरी, यही आशा है कि मैं मेहनत करती रहूँ, जैसे कि मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे सिखाया है, जैसे कि अनिल चाचू को मैं देख देख कर सीखी हूँ कि there's no substitute for hard work, and the only thing that I can do to make myself feel worthy of everything that I've been blessed with is to work so hard that when I go to sleep at night, there is no doubt in my head that one day I'll feel worthy of everything that I've gotten, and maybe, hopefully, people that come and see my work will be like, अच्छा हुआ इसको chance मिल गया, कैसे भी मिला अच्छा हुआ. And I really aspire to reach that position, and hopefully I will. But as far as the criticism of being a star kid, and as far as maybe we've had it tougher, maybe they've had it tougher, I find it sad that there's suddenly a divide between insiders and outsiders. We're all creative people, and I feel sorry for people who have had a tough journey to crack into the system, because I have no idea what that journey must be like. I'm thankful that I get to do the work that I want to do. And so if people are pointing 10 extra fingers at me, and if I'm maybe a 10 on 10, and people will still say I'm a 5 on 10, I'm not saying that I am, I'm okay dealing with that. But I can't let that pressure bog me down. The only thing I can do is work hard. And but I don't think that we've had it easier or they've had it easier. I think that हर इंसान की journey अलग होती है, and I guess it's someone else's chance to eat at the table, and that's what people who've had a harder journey cracking into the system are feeling like. So, we need to respect that. They must have had a tough time, and I hope things get equalized, and I hope it feels like a fair playground for everyone, a fair work ground for everyone. That's the aspiration.